Today, we're going to talk about a crucial skill, effective email communication, in both personal and professional settings. But we're not just covering the basics. I've got some unique and smart tips that will take your email game to the next level. So let's get into it. Hey modern workers, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, we are here to help you master the art of balancing life and work while staying super efficient. Our motto: work smart, live fully. First, let's talk about the power of the subject line. We all know it's important, but here's a twist. Make your subject line a mini summary of your email. Instead of vague titles like meeting or follow-up, try something like Project X meeting, agenda and next steps, or follow-up on marketing report, action required by Friday. This not only grabs attention, but also gives the recipient a clear idea of what to expect, making them more likely to open and prioritize your email. Next, consider the psychology of timing. Most people send emails during typical work hours, but did you know that sending emails early in the morning or late at night can increase the chances of your email being read? Early morning emails are often read first thing, while late-night emails can stand out because they're not competing with the usual daytime flood of messages. Experiment with sending emails at these times to see if you get quicker responses. Now let's talk about the two-sentence rule. This is a technique where you start your email with two sentences that summarize the entire message. For example, I'm reaching out to confirm our meeting on Thursday and to share the agenda. Please review the attached document and let me know if you have any questions. This approach respects the recipient's time and ensures that even if they don't read the whole email, they get the gist of it immediately. Another innovative tip is to use the three-paragraph structure. Start with a brief introduction that states the purpose of your email. The second paragraph should provide the necessary details, and the third should outline the next steps or call to action. This structure helps keep your emails organized and easy to follow, making it more likely that your recipient will read and respond appropriately. Let's not forget about the importance of formatting. Use whitespace effectively to make your email easy to read. Break up large blocks of text into smaller paragraphs and use bold or italics to highlight key points. This not only makes your email visually appealing, but also helps the recipient quickly grasp the main points. Here's a tip that's often overlooked. Create email templates for repetitive tasks. If you find yourself sending similar emails frequently, like meeting requests or follow-ups, save these as template. This not only saves you time, but also ensures consistency and professionalism in your communication. Just make sure to personalize each template before sending to avoid sounding too generic. Lastly, let's talk about the one-question rule. If you need a response, try to ask only one question per email. Multiple questions can overwhelm the recipient and lead to incomplete replies. By focusing on one question, you make it easier for the recipient to provide a clear and concise answer, speeding up the communication process. There you have it, some innovative and smart tips for effective email communication. Remember, the key is to be clear, concise, and considerate of your recipient's time. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your working friends and family. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks from the modern workers. We've also provided links to some of the tools we mentioned in the description box below, just in case you want to check them out. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.